Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best beef protein isolate is probably one of the most misunderstood supplements on the market, often overshadowed by its whey and casein counterparts, yet offering a unique and powerful alternative for those seeking lean muscle growth, improved recovery, and a dairy-free protein source. This potent powder, derived from high-quality beef, packs a serious protein punch without the carbohydrates or fats typically associated with traditional beef, making it an incredibly efficient way to fuel your body and support your fitness goals with a clean, easily digestible nutrient profile. Number 5. Ancient Nutrition Bone Broth Protein Vanilla. Unlock the power of pure protein with our bone broth powder. It's crafted from grass-fed, cage-free ingredients for a clean and effective supplement. Each serving delivers a robust 20 grams of protein. This easily digestible powder is perfect for fueling your body and supporting your fitness goals. Enriched with hydrolyzed collagen peptides, it helps support your joints and skin. Feel the difference as it contributes to your overall vitality. Embrace a healthy lifestyle with this keto and paleo-friendly option. It seamlessly fits into your dietary preferences without compromising on nutrition. Nourish your body from the inside out. It's designed to promote healthy gut function and support comfortable joint movement. Enjoy the smooth and satisfying taste of vanilla. It makes getting your daily protein intake a delightful experience. What we like. This option is crafted from bone broth, offering unique benefits beyond typical protein. It's excellent for supporting joint and gut health. If you're looking for a protein that aids recovery and digestive wellness, this is a great choice. What people say. This is really good. Not too sweet, not grainy, and blends very well in a blender. It's the creamiest one I've ever had. This bone broth has all three types of collagen, 1,11, 111, chondroitin, glucosamine and hyaluronic acid. That is a real plus. The vanilla is so versatile because you add whatever fruit or vegetables to make the flavor you want. I really like this large container. Number 4. Naked Whey Chocolate Protein Powder. Introducing Naked Whey Chocolate Protein Powder. It's made with just 3 simple, high-quality ingredients for a clean and effective protein boost. We use only the finest grass-fed whey protein, ensuring you get a premium source of amino acids. It's a difference you can feel. Enjoy the rich, natural taste of organic chocolate. It's perfectly sweetened with organic coconut sugar for a guilt-free treat. Rest assured, our product is NSF certified, meaning it's rigorously tested for purity and safety. You won't find any GMOs, soy, or gluten here. Each container provides 24 servings, making it easy to fuel your body with clean nutrition. It's the straightforward way to support your active lifestyle. What we like. With just 3 simple ingredients, this powder prioritizes purity and natural flavor. It's made from grass-fed whey and sweetened with organic ingredients. If you prefer a clean, straightforward protein with a delicious chocolate taste and minimal additives, this is the one for you. What people say. Great taste and mixes well with water. I noticed an increase in muscle recovery after workouts. The powder is fine and dissolves easily, leaving no clumps. Number 3. Ancient Nutrition Bone Broth Protein Chocolate. Experience the power of real bone broth in every scoop. Our chocolate protein powder is crafted for your wellness journey. Fuel your body with 20 grams of high-quality protein per serving. It's the perfect boost to support your active lifestyle. Indulge in the rich, satisfying taste of chocolate. It blends seamlessly into your favorite protein shakes for a delightful treat. Enjoy the benefits of gluten-free nutrition and hydrolyzed collagen peptides. It's a clean supplement designed for optimal absorption. Each tub provides 20 servings, ensuring you have a consistent source of nourishment. Make it a staple in your daily routine. Elevate your post-workout recovery or morning smoothie. This powder is the ideal addition for a delicious and protein-rich shake. What we like. This product leverages the power of bone broth for a protein source rich in collagen peptides. It's a fantastic option for those seeking benefits for skin, hair, and nails alongside muscle support. If you're looking for a multi-benefit protein that's also gluten-free, consider this formula. What people say. It adds enough protein throughout the day to keep me going. This shake is so healthy and very delicious. I also add powder bulk C, added you can't taste it and my immune system got better too. Number 2. Jacked Factory Authentic ISO Whey Protein Isolate. Experience the ultimate in muscle building fuel. Our premium whey protein isolate is crafted for purity and effectiveness, giving you exactly what you need to recover and grow. Fuel your gains without the unwanted carbs. This formula is designed to support your fitness goals, ensuring you get lean muscle without compromise. We believe in clean ingredients. That's why our product is non-GMO and free from unnecessary fillers, providing you with a pure, high-quality protein source. Bounce back faster after every workout. This isolate is perfect for post-exercise recovery, helping your muscles repair and rebuild efficiently. Indulge in the rich taste of chocolate peanut butter. Enjoy a delicious way to meet your protein needs with every satisfying serving. Get a full month supply of premium protein. Each container provides 30 servings, ensuring you have consistent support for your training regimen. What we like. This is a pure whey protein isolate designed for serious muscle building and recovery. Its low-carb profile makes it ideal for those on specific diets. If you're focused on maximizing gains post-workout and minimizing carbohydrate intake, this option is tailored for your needs. What people say. No clumping, perfect texture. It has no gritty taste at all. The blender makes it pretty frothy to start with, and I like it that way, but it settles down pretty fast, and I still like it. This protein powder has a lot going for it. It dissolves effortlessly, leaving no clumps or gritty texture, and the micro is just right, making it ideal for smooth shakes and other mixes. Number 1. Nutricost Whey Protein Isolate Milk Chocolate 5 pounds. Fuel your body with high-quality protein. Our whey protein isolate is designed for optimal absorption and muscle support. Indulge in the rich, satisfying taste of milk chocolate. It's a treat that aligns with your fitness goals. Get more of what you need with our generous 5-pound container. Plenty to keep you going through your training. We believe in purity. This powder is made with simple, effective ingredients to help you achieve your best. Whether you're building muscle or recovering after a workout, this is the perfect supplement to support your active lifestyle. Experience the smooth texture and delicious flavor. It mixes easily for a perfect shake every time. What we like. This offers a substantial amount of whey protein isolate, perfect for consistent users. The classic milk chocolate flavor is a crowd pleaser. If you need a cost-effective, high-quality protein isolate in a large quantity and enjoy a traditional chocolate taste, this bulk option is highly recommended. What people say. Each serving provides 30 grams of protein, perfect for post-workout recovery or supplementing daily intake. It mixes easily with water or milk without clumping, and the texture is pleasantly smooth. It tastes amazing and you don't even need a mixer when you're mixing up your powder, like it won't clump up. It makes it really, and there's like no watered down flavor at all, and I like that it barely has any sugar and it's very filling. The protein quality is good, it mixes very well with water and milk, and I don't get any stomach issues. It's a clean isolate, easy to digest, and works well after workouts or as a quick protein boost during the day. The texture is smooth, no clumps, and it dissolves quickly even without a blender. I also like that it has a high protein content per serving. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.